Hi everyone. The biggest mistake I made as a YouTube Airbnb host was not starting. That was the biggest mistake. I waited about 2 years before I started. So that's probably leaving $100,000 on the table. Maybe in the first year I wouldn't have made as much, but leaving a lot of money on the table. And we don't host in a tourist area. We are in a town somewhat near a tourist area, but we are not in a tourist area. So if you are in a tourist area, I really urge you to consider Airbnb hosting, or if you're like me, if you're near a tourist area, both would work. But just start. It's human nature to avoid pain, and it's in the nature of your family members and your friends to want you to avoid pain. So you can't avoid pain if you're going to start your own business. It's necessary. You've got to go through the pain to make the gain. No pain, no gain. So yeah, it's so true though, isn't it? It's such a cliche, but if you want to build up big muscles, if you want to make money, if you want to get a promotion, whatever, it's just the law of life, the law of nature. You've got to go through the pain to get to the reward. And most people can't. Most people can't do it. Most people will never start their own business. The fact that you're watching this video probably means you're a bit different. Maybe you've started a few businesses in the past. I have. I think a lot of us have. So if you're willing to go through the pain, and Airbnb hosting is not as painful as a lot of things. It's a lot less painful than Udemy, a lot less painful than YouTube. Starting an English school was somewhat painful, but actually we were in the right place at the right time, so my chain of schools grew very quickly. Airbnb, if you're in the right area, and if you've checked out my other videos or taken some of my courses at Udemy, you know what I mean. And if you haven't watched those, then please do. Please check out my other videos about how to decide if your place is suited for Airbnb hosting. But you can do very well. And you can start small. You can start with just a room in your place. And see how it goes. It's not for everyone, but you can make a lot of money at this if you keep at it. Read as many books. Read, get paid for your pad. We got a video about it here at the channel. Read whatever you can. Watch YouTube videos about Airbnb hosting, Airbnb business, Airbnb arbitrage, all of those things. Learn whatever you can. But don't just take it from me. Take it from lots of different people. Everyone's got something different to say. Some people exaggerate. So don't trust anyone. Learn from many different sources. Keep trying to get better. Keep improving. If you're going to do this, you need to have your house looking very nice. So the nicest your house has ever been. Whatever needs fixing, fix it. If the door is difficult to open, get that lock fixed. Or I replaced a door in one case. So whatever you need to do, whatever that would be difficult for guests to navigate, you need to change it. And if you do, you can be very successful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Love to hear from you. Love to hear some comments. And I do answer questions, so fire away. Thank you.